ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। सुमुखश्च एकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लंबोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो विनायकः धूमकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षः फालचन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डः शूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बः स्कन्दपूर्वजः शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये यस्य द्विरदवक्त्राद्या पारिषद्या परस्सथं विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय कृष्णाय अक्लिष्टकारिणे नमो वेदान्तवेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे कृष्णद्वैपायनं व्यासं सर्वभूतहिते रतं वेदाब्जभास्करं वन्दे समाधिनिलयं मुनिं जन्माद्यस्य यतः अन्वयात् इतरतश्च अर्थेषु अभिज्ञः तेने ब्रह्महृदायः आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत् सूरयः तेजोवारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र सर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोचितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवम् अत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैः ईश्वरः सद्यः हृदि अवरुध्यतेः अत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषिभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिकाः भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजन्तम् अनुपेतम् अपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वः अभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यः स्वानुभावम् अखिलश्रुतिसारम् एकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अतितीर्षतां तमोन्धम संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुम् उपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. Now with Swami's anugraham we came up to slokam number 38 in Adhyayam 9, Skandham number 4, where the messenger comes carrying the news that Dhruva is returning, even though Uttanapadan, who has been really suffering under this misfortune of the son has been gone and he doesn't know where he is. But then when Narada tells him he's going to come back, so he trusts that. And when the messenger brings the news that Dhruva is returning, he rewards him with a very expensive haram, a necklace. Up to that point we came. Now 39 and 40 we will take together. Basically a description of how they start to go and meet Dhruva. Sadasvam ratam arukhya kartaswara parishkrutam brahmanaihi kulavruddhaihi cha paryastaha amatya bandhubihi. Slokam number 39. We'll take 39 and 40 together. Shankha dundhubinadena brahma goshena venubihi nischakrama purat turnam atmaja abhikshanam utsukaha. Sadasvam ratam arukhya kartaswara parishkrutam brahmanaihi kulavruddhaihi cha paryastaha amatya bandhubihi Sankha dundhubinadena brahma goshena venubihi nischakrama purat तूर्णम् आत्मज अभीक्षण उत्सुकः. Now, so the Padangal, I think you understood. The Kartasvara Parishkritam Sadasvam Ratham Aruhya. Kartasvara Parishkritam Sadasvam Ratham Aruhya. Kartasvara, gold. Parishkritam, being decorated with gold. Sat Sada Swam. Sat Aswam. Aswam means horses. Sat means good quality horses, superior quality horses. Sataswam. Sat Aswam. Kartasvara Parishkritam, decorated with gold. Sat Aswam, and being drawn by high quality, high caliber horses. Ratham, on the chariot. Aruhya, getting on top of it. Okay? Alighting that. Aruhya, the getting on top of that Ratham, on the chariot. Brahmanaihi kula vruddhaihi cha amatya bandhubihi paryastaha. Brahmanaihi kula vruddhaihi cha amatya bandhubihi paryastaha. Brahmanaihi, with paryastaha means being surrounded by, along with, in the group of. Okay, so you can say being surrounded by. Paryastaha, being surrounded by. Brahmanaihi, the Vedic Brahmins who are chanting Vedangal. Kula Vruddhaihi, the elders in the lineage, various elders. Amatya, the ministers and other office bearers in the administration. Bandhubihi, relatives. By all these people, Paryastaha, being surrounded by. Sankha Dundhuvinadena, Sankham, the conch, Dundhubi, the various dairy, the drums. Nadena, the sound, with the sound. Sankha Dundhuvinadena, Brahma Goshena, Venubihi. With people, Brahmins are all reciting Vedangal, and people are blowing conches. You can see how beautiful that sound will be, and also playing on drums. Okay, very happy occasion. Brahma Goshena, with the various Vedic chanting. Venubihi, people playing flutes. So various instruments. Venubihi, not only flutes but also other musical instruments. Along with that, Atmaja Abhikshana, Atmaja, his son, Abhikshana, to see him. Utsukaha, with tremendous utsakam, enthusiasm. Purat, from the city. Turnam Nischakrama, Turnam, very hurriedly, very fast. Nischakrama, he departed from the city. That is talking about Uttanapadan. So Uttanapadan left. So let us recite the slokams. I think you'll understand it. Sadasvam Ratam Aruhya Kartasvara Parishkritam. So Kartasvara Parishkritam, Sadasvam Ratam Aruhya, number 1. Then Brahmanaihi Kulavruddhaihi Amatya Bandhubihi cha Paryastaha, number 2. Sankha Dundhuvinadena Brahmagoshena Venubihi. Okay, with all these. Then Atmaja Abhikshana Utsukaha Purat Turnam Nischakrama. Okay, I hope you understand the sentence now. Now, next slokam, 41. Sunitihi Suruchihi cha asya mahishyau Rukma Bhushite Arukya Sibikam Sardham Uttamena Abhijagmatuhu. सुनीतिः सुरुचिः च अस्य महिष्यौ रुक्मभूषिते आरुह्य शिबिकां सार्धम् उत्तमेन अभिजग्मतुः। अस्य महिष्यौ सुनीतिः सुरुचिः च अस्य his this Uttanapadans Mahishyau plural wives, Mahishi means wife, Mahishyau plural, Sunitihi Suruchihi cha, Suniti and Suruchi, what did they do? Rukma bhushite, decorating themselves. Rukma means gold also, okay, they are decorating themselves in gold ornaments because it's a very happy occasion. Uttamena sardham, sardham means along with, uttamena along with, uttama. Sibikam, Sibikam means the what we call as palak, the palanquin. Sibikam means palakil, on the palak. Aruhya, getting on top of it. Abhijagmatuhu, they also went. Abhijagmatuhu. Sunitihi suruchihi cha asya mahishyau rukma bhushite aruhya sibikam sardham uttamena abhijagmatuhu. 42 and 43 will take together. Tam drishtva upavanabhyasa ayantam tarasa rathat avaruhya nrupaha turnam asadhya prema vigvalaha. Number 42. Again. Tam drishtva upavanabhyasa ayantam tarasa rathat avaruhya nrupaha Turnam asadhya prema vihvalaha. Turnam, you saw the word earlier, hurriedly, in haste, quickly. 43. Parirebe angajam dhurbyam dirga utkhanda manaha swasan vishvaksena angri samsparsam hata asesha aga bandhanam. Slokams 42 and 43. 43 I'll read again. Parirebhe angajam dorbhyam dirga utkantha manaha sasan vishvaksena angri samsparsam hata asesha agha bandhanam. Now upavanam means garden. Upavanabhyase, upavana abhyase, in the near the garden. Ayantam, one upavanabhyase ayantam tam drishtva. Let us take it together, then you can understand it easier. Upavanabhyase ayantam tam drishtva. Upavanabhyase ayantam tam drishtva. Upavanabhyase, near the garden, near the flower garden. Ayantam, coming. Tam, that dhruva. Drishtva, seeing. So seeing the dhruva near the flower garden. Tarasa rathat avaruhya. Tarasa, very fast, very speedily. Rathat, from the chariot, avaruhya, getting down. Nrupaha, the king. Prema vikvalaha turnam asadhya. Prema vikvalaha, overcome with love. Turnam, very hurriedly, hastily, quickly, asadhya, approaching him. Dirga utkantha manaha. Dirga, very long, not short, very long. Utkantha manaha, very eager and yearning with mindset. Swasan, and breathing very, very hard, with rapid breath. Angajam, his son. Angajam, Pudalvanai. Okay, Pudalvanai, Angajam, his son. Dhorbhyam, with his shoulders. This is where the Dhorbi Karanam comes. Topu Karanam, we say in Tamil. Topu Karanam is Dhorbihi Karanam. Is Topu Karanam. Okay, Dhorbihi. Please understand. Dhorbhyam, with his hands, with his bhujangal, okay. Parirebhe, he embraced him. Embraced his Angajam, his son. Now, who is the son? Vishwaksena Angri Samsparsam Hata Vesha Agha Bandhanam. Let us take that for a minute. What a beautiful phrase there. Let us enjoy that. Vishwaksena Angri Samsparsam. Vishwaksenan. Bhagavan who is present in the whole Vishwam. Vishwaksenan. That Bhagavan. Angri. His padangal. Samsparsam. By touching that. By touching Bhagavan's lotus feet, what happens? Asesha. See, you got to read this properly. Ataseshagha bandhanam. Let us take that phrase that you see in your book and break it up properly so you understand the meaning. Hata seshagha bandhanam. Hata seshagha bandhanam. Hata asesha agha bandhanam. Hata asesha agha bandhanam. Asesha, limitless, countless. Agha, sin, papangal, impurities, so many sins we all committed. Bandhanam, being bound by that, by the limitless papangal that we commit. Hata, all of them eliminated, killed, destroyed, because Vishwaksena Angri Samsparstam. By touching this Bhagavan's feet, lotus feet, all the papangas have been pulverized, have gone, eliminated. That, the Asisheka Bandhanam, Hata, that with all those papangal removed because he had embraced Bhagavan's lotus feet, that Angajam, that son, that Pudalvanai, Dorbhyam, Nripaha, Dorbhyam Parivedhe. The king embraced him with his hands and breathing hard with what we call as perumuchu, breathing hard and fast and very eagerly, yearning to see him. He gets down from the ratham very hurriedly and runs to him, okay, and embraces him. Number 42. Number 44. Ata Ajigran. You embraced him, and then what will a father do? Okay, who's yearning for his son? Exactly what is described here. Ata Ajigran Muhu Murdni Sitehi Nayanavaribihi. Snapayamasa Tanayam Jatodhama Manorataha. Jata Uddhama. Ata, let me read it fully and then break it up for you. Ata Jigran Muhur Murdni Sitair Nayana Varibihi Snapayamasa Tanayam Jatodhama Manorataha. Ata Ajigran Muhu Murdni Sitaihi Nayanavaribihi Snapayamasa Tanayam Jata Uddhama Manorataha. See, Manorataha Uddhama Manorataha Jata. Manorataha means desire that we all want. Uddhama means great desire or great Uddhama Jata. We can take it that way also. It's been greatly fulfilled. Jata means fulfilled. Okay? So Jata Uddhama Manorataha, with his desire greatly fulfilled, what did he do? Atha. Once he embraced him after that, Jata Uddhama Manorataha, with all his great desires that to really see his son again, and that being fulfilled, Tanayam, his son, Pudalvanai, Tanayam is grammatically, Murdni, on his forehead, Muhu, repeatedly, Ajigran, he smelled him. Like, when elders come, they hug a small baby, and what do we all do? We immediately go to the head, right? And so smell, ajigranne. So he embraced him very, very well, and also repeatedly. He was so happy, all his desires fulfilled, and he smelled him on his forehead. And while he is doing that, Nayana varibihi sitahi. Nayana sitahi varibihi snapayamasa. Because from eyes are also pouring out tears. That's what happens, right? So Nayana varibihi, the vari means water. Nayana varibihi, the water coming out of the eye, sitahi, the cool water. With that water, the Tanayam, Snapaya Masa also, he actually bathed his son in his tears. Artha, Ajigranne Muhu Murdni Sitehi Nayana Varibihi Snapaya Masa Tanayam Jata Uddhama Manorataha. Number 45. That's beautifully honored and received very well. That small boy, that Dhruvan, who was actually the best, the foremost among all the sadhukal. And immediately he fell down at his father's feet and worshipped him. Then his father did Asirvadam, gave him benediction. And then Dhruvan also fell down and worshipped his mother. Abhivandhya Pituhu Padau Asirbihi cha Abhimantritaha Nanama Matarau Sishna Satkrutaha Sajjana Agranihi. Abhivandhya Pituhu Padau Asirbihi cha Abhimantritaha Nanama Matarau Sishna Satkrutaha Sajjana Agranihi. Now, the Abhimantritaha is very important. When youngsters fall at the feet of elders, the elders cannot stay quiet. They have to repeat the Asirvadam, the benediction, and with mantrangal. Okay, that's very important. That Abhimantritaha is, they should also Dirgashman Bhava, for example, they say, may you live long, may you live healthy. So many things they have got to say. Okay, and when elders, those of you who are familiar, may have heard, they do Abhivadanam, for example, in our culture, right? And when we do Abhivadanam to elders, and it should not be done for everybody. Abhivadanam should be done. Abhivadanam means worship. And that to be, Vadanam means speech. Okay, basically it's a worshipful speech, a reverential offering, worship and reverence. Okay, and that when you do that, you give your lineage, the Gotram, which Rishi you belong to, which Vedic Sakha that you belong to, etc., and which Sutram that lineage follows, and what is your name, Sharma. Okay, what is your name that has been assigned to you? So that body has got a name. So with that you fall at their feet, and then you do Abhivadanam. That is what Abhivadaye we say, right? And now, when that is done to elders, it cannot be done to everybody, okay? It should be done only to select people. Then those people must be qualified also. Immediately they have to reply with a suitable Abhimantram. Okay? Very important. If they don't do that, it's not correct. So here, everything takes place properly. Okay? Abhivandhya Pituhu Abhivandhya. Okay, Pituhu Padau Abhivandhya. You can now understand the Sanskrit. Pituhu Padau Abhivandhya. Padau means plural, the feet. Pituhu, fathers, with an apostrophe. Yes, Tandayin. Okay, Pituhu Abhivandhya, to worshipping that. Pituhu Padau Abhivandhya. Asir bihi cha Abhimantritaha. Cha and Asir bihi. Of being received this benediction. Once you fall at worship the Father, he gives you benedictions, right? and also abhimantritaha. Then not only that he gives the benediction, he says, Dirghashman Bhava, like the replying all the beneficial things. He does that. So, Satkrutaha Sajjana Agranihi. Let us take it subject, action, object, so we understand it. Satkrutaha Sajjana Agranihi. Satkrutaha, that being very well received this way. Sajjana Agranihi means Satjana Agranihi. Sajjana means sadhukal. Agranihi. Agra means foremost. The foremost among all the sadhukal, that Dhruvan, being thus welcomed by everybody. Pituhu Padav Abhivandya. It falls down and worships father's feet. Then, once he does that, Asirbihi Abhimantritaha, being blessed with proper benedictions by him. Matarau cha, also cha and Matarau, the mothers also, Sishna Nanama, Sishna with his head, Nanama, he worshipped. Okay, we say in Tamil Talai Vananginan, right? And so both he immediately did. This is a sign of a cultured boy. Abhivandya pituhu padau asirbihi cha abhimantritaha nanama matarau sishna satkrutaha sajjana agranihi. Number 46. Suruchihi tam samuthapya padau Suruchihi tam samuthapya padavanatam arbhakam Parishvajya Jiveti Bashpagat Gadaya Gira. Suruchihi tam samuthapya padavanatam arbhakam Parishvajya aha jiva iti Bashpagat Gadaya Gira. Once more, Suruchihi tam samuthapya padavanatam arbhakam parishvajya aha jiva iti bashpagat gadaya gira. Now, giri, gira, the number of meanings are there. Giri, of course, means one immediately hill and mountain and all that. Girisa, we say in Rudram, that is not Isa of all the mountains. Girisa means, Giri also means, Gira means words, which is really relates to speech and Vedanga. Okay, so please remember that here Gira means speech, word. So Suruchihi Padavanatam tam arbakam. Suruchi, remember, Suruchi was that stepmother who actually gave him those cruel words. Now what does she do? Suruchihi Padavanatam tam arbakam. That Tamarbakam, that young boy, that child who falls down at her feet, the one who has worshipped her, Samuttapya, lifting him with both hands, Parishvajya, embracing him, hugging him, Bashpa Gadgataya, Bashpa Gadgataya, from eyes, tears are pouring down. And Gira, the words are also not coming out clearly because everything is, we call as in Tamil, Talidal Takura, which means the speech is not clear, the voice is not clear, it is all emotional. Okay? So, Bashpa Gataya Gira, in emotional voice with tears pouring down her eyes. Jiva, Jiva, may you live long, may you live long. Iti aha, thus she said. So Suruchi said, lifted him up when he falls down at her feet and embraces him tightly, tears pouring down from her eyes, and with emotional choked voice she says, Jiva, 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 may you live long. Iti aha, thus she said. Suruchihi tam samuthapya Padavanatam arbhakam parishvajya aha jiva iti bashpagat gadaya gira. Now, The next part we will take up in our next session. We'll stop here. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.